Lion and the Mouse, The Untold Lessons. Lesson 1. No matter how much you rise up, stay humble. The lion, although being a king, by showing mercy, he displayed his humble nature. Lesson 2. Panic is natural, but you should calm down sooner as possible and think about possible solutions to come out of that situation. The mouse was panicked, but with a calm mind, thought about a possible solution to come out of that situation. Lesson 3. Always carry a friendly nature. Such a nature will help you in times of crisis. The mouse, because of his friendly nature, was able to save his own life. Lesson 4. Always sharpen your negotiation skills. Good negotiation skills will help you to convince others easily and accept your point of view. The mouse was wise in negotiating. He managed to convince the lion with his negotiation skills. Lesson 5. Others should find value in your offer. Good negotiation will always show the opposite person his benefits. The mouse managed to convince the lion and showed the lion his benefit in not eating the mouse. He told the lion someday he will be of help to the lion. Lesson 6. Always make provisions for the future. Be wise in your dealing today. Find ways to make provisions for any crisis that may rise in future. The lion wisely agreed to the mouse's offer. This way, the lion made provision for the future crisis. By not eating the mouse, he unknowingly secured his own future. Lesson 7. Never underestimate anyone, no matter how small they are. You may think this person is of little value, but someday you may realize he is the same person who was able to help you in times of crisis. Although the lion laughed, thinking how this insignificant mouse will be able to save his life, but it's the mouse who saved the lion. Lesson 8. Without sacrifice, you cannot desire freedom. Every comfort and freedom you desire in future requires you to make some sacrifices now. The lion, by not eating the mouse, secured his freedom from the net in which he was caught. Lesson 9. Always seek help when needed. We hesitate to take help sometimes because it hurts our pride. The lion, although a king of the jungle, he did not hesitate to take help from the mouse. If out of pride, the lion would have hesitated to take help, then he would have got caught by the hunter. Lesson 10. Know your worth and value. Never consider yourself as insignificant. No matter we are big or small, We are all worthy individuals. The mouse, although small, he never felt insignificant. He knew his self-worth. He knew what he is capable of. In this story, he was not the king, but by knowing his worth and value, he became a king maker.